Hi everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make the coil wallet. So basically you fold the paper, whatever paper you have, and you fold it in half, and then you draw in the heart shape. This is very easy. Every time I show people how to draw it, they say they're not gonna draw the same thing that I do. So what I do, and I'm gonna upload the templates in my description box. The template, you're gonna see something like this, okay? So after I cut in the heart shape, I place it on the fabric, the paper like that. The straight line is like that, and I trace around, and then I place the other one exactly the same way, and then I trace next to it. So now I have two like that. This is your template. I'm going to upload in my description box so you can print this out. So I'm gonna cut this out, and I cut one interface in exactly the same size of the template, and then two fabric, it's gonna be a quarter of an inch bigger outer. That's my seam allowance. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this today out. I'm using the pink one and the strawberry. It's fabric of your choice. Just put that on the side and the interface, and I will share with you in my description. I usually buy the yarn from Walmart, but it is so big, and every time I want to cut a little one, it's really hard to pull out like big giant piece. So this is a good deal, and this is a good size for interfacing. Check in my description box. I'll share with you. This is very easy. When you trace something on the using the interfacing, make sure you use the smooth side when you trace it, because it make it easier. So I'm gonna go and trace exactly the same side of this interfacing. You can make this one with the fabric one, or you can make with the felt fabric one. This one is thicker, and it's so good. All you need to do is just one like this, and I will share with you how to make using this felt fabric. This one I got it from, I think I got this from Joanne Fabric or Michael's, somewhere like that. I shop a lot, so crazy. Trace exactly like that, and I will share with you how to make using this too. So after I cut in these two, the lining and the main that put on the side, I show you how to do with the felt fabric here. So after I cut in these two, the lining and the main that put on the side, I show you how to do with the felt fabric here. So I use the zipper that I pulled half last time, and this is the half. So the teeth of this go down here. So this side here touching this straight. And I want to make sure that I have an extra about an inch or so like that away, because later on I have to put the zipper pull in. So I want to save it for myself, not to go crazy. So go like this. I have the zipper pull right here. This is very cute and easy. Now you're gonna sew. A quarter of an inch shorter. So everyone, I'm gonna make sure that the zipper go on this way first, and then this one going in. As you can see, I cut one smaller, shorter than the other one, the zipper. That's how I put the zipper pull without any problem. So always do on the right side. When you do the wrong side, you're gonna be so confused. Now you're gonna get this pull and put it back on like this, the round area. You're gonna go the long side, go in first like that, and then you go on to place this short side. Okay, you like that. Okay, take this out. On this, I'm gonna inside out until we can sew that. And you're gonna make sure that it stay right in the middle. Everything is lined up. Very important to line up everything you make. Sure, let me just put it in more to make sure everything line up first, and then I'll pull the zipper out a bit. Okay, so now you're gonna go in the back here, because in the front with this you can see where you sew. So right here, you're gonna sew a quarter up and in, sew it down to here and go down. Let me mark a quarter up and in, so like that, down, and then from you go down a quarter up and then go down to here, and then from here you're gonna go up and go to here, and done. Just like that, simple. So everyone, I finished with this. This is the one with the felt fabric. You don't need to do much. With the fabric, I already cut the interfacing and then the lining like this. Right side facing the right side. You're going to sew around, but on the straight line here, you're going to leave it about, you can leave about 3 inches or 2 open, so you can inside out. So you're gonna follow the interfacing. So around here, go to the curve, go all around here. Just follow the interfacing and go to here and stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. Everyone, after I sew around and I left it here open, I just want to let you know that when I do a simple project like this, I don't show you the sewing. There's no need for me to show you the straight line sew unless there is a zipper or some other thing that more difficult than this. So I'm gonna go around and it cut where the curve, or you can use the pinking shear. If you have pinking shear, use it. If not, use zigzag or just do this, just to trim around a little bit. And again, when you have the interfacing like this, you really don't need the pinking shear for this, because when you inside out, it's gonna push out. Make sure you press all around and then iron this. On this side, the curve, you're gonna top stitch around here on the curve of the heart shape. Just top stitch to here. So everyone, after I top stitch around here, I'm going to add the zipper to this. So the zipper I cut an extra longer than it's supposed to. So it's right here, the center. You don't really have to do this, but for the safe side, I always do. And then you go on to fold it in half, and you go on to make sure that the center is right here, just like so. And then I'm going to add the zipper on this side. So go right here where I just marked and place it right here. And now I'm gonna go and sew it on top of that. Sew all the way to the other side here and stop. Okay, so everyone, after I sew the zipper, I'm going to add the zipper slider on. You can see we have the next strap, but before we add it on, you see that center we fold earlier, you're gonna fold it back. Make sure everything line up. This is the easiest one, but not easy than the first one. On the top with the zipper I have in here, I'm gonna cut one shorter than, okay, any side you can cut shorter than the first one. I would start with like a quarter of an inch or less. You can see one up and one down like this, and that's how I want it. So the slider gonna go right on the top here. So the curve side, that's where the slider is supposed to go in. So go in one side. Right here, that's where we stop the zipper. I'm going to sew this together. Sew the teeth together. I'm using the different the color thread, so it can show a little bit of the detail, and it's so pretty. I don't like the snow at all. So I have an appointment on Monday somewhere, and I have to cancel it. So I stay home here during the winter. Actually, in a couple months I've been home. Not much to do in Florida. And then I'm going to turn this around like this. Move this to this side, just like so, and then bring this side of the heart shape over, just like that, so it's nicer look. So all you need to do, I have it like closer to like an inch. You have half an inch, you can, it's okay too. So fold it like this, fold it down, bring this over. I'm going to go from the inside here, and I'm going to sew that in. This is the most easier one that I can do. And when I get the request, I'm like, how do I do that? But then I have to find the way to show you. Not everything you ask I can do, because sometimes I get a headache. That's the thing. That is so cute. And then after that, you can cut the extra right there after you sew on this. Okay, don't cut it before you sew, you cut it after. All right, so let's just do that the other side too. Just curl this in like this, curl this, curl that down, and then sew this side. So everyone, after I sew on the top of the zipper in, and it's nice and neat in the back here, You don't need to worry because you're going to sew this anyway. So when you're done, the wallet gonna be like that. It's nice and cute. Okay, so I'm gonna use the tag here. The name tag. It say handmade. So whatever you want to add, I'm gonna add right in the middle of this, and then I'm going to sew it in. So to sew it, because this is upside down, but when you're done, it's gonna look like this the right way. I'm gonna start over here for the side, and I'm gonna go from the inside. Remember where we stopped when we top stitched earlier? I'm gonna go, and you can see that we have the side. I'm gonna go one side where the strawberry in here, this side, scooping that fabric, and I'm going to this side, the other side where the strawberry, scoop that one, and then I sew. Just hand sew this. This person don't have the sewing machine. So if you have the sewing machine, you can sew this. Follow this line, follow this, and sew it around. So go like this, and you go forward, okay? And we're gonna scoop a little bit on the strawberry side, the fabric right here, and then I go to the other side. You take about 4 or 6 of them, and then you pull. So when you're done, it's gonna look so nice together. If you don't want to do this, you follow the top stitch, and then you sew it around. You sew it to here, and then you go into here, and you go around all the way. Everyone, I finished. It's night time. So cute. You see how I sew around here using that stitch and go around? And you can put money in there, can put a gift card in there, whatever you want to, as long as you sew them all like this. And I have the string right here. Check in my description for this. This is like 100 yards, and I'm going to go in here. You can go either way, whatever way you want to, or you don't have to do this, but you know how I am when I doing something. I always dress up on my project to look nicer. So just fold like that, and then fold it right here, and then from here you're gonna tie the knob, like double knob right here, just something to look nicer. That's all. It doesn't have to. This is optional, okay? You do or you don't, it's okay. It's all up to you, but this is how I do my stuff. I always add some more things right here. So you can put money in here if you want to. Put the gift card if you want to put the gift card. You can too. Just slide right there, and then turn this way. Put the gift card that way, and then close it up. And on this side, you're gonna do the same thing. If you don't want to do that way, you can do it this way by going to single line like that, and then from here you're gonna tie the knot. And basically that, very easy. Something that people ask me to share, and I be able to do. If you don't want to put the gift card, you can put money or whatever you want. You put the change in there, you know, your little money right here. You can put it in there too if you want. So that is that, everyone. Let me tell you the wide side from here to here, because that way you put the card, the gift card, or candy. You can put candy in there. So 6 inches wide, and the length of this is 4.5 inches. So that is that, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn the bell notification on. You click on the subscribe button. You see the bell, you click one more time when it turn it darker. That means the bell notification that you turn on. So every time I upload a video, you get notified. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you. Stay safe. Remember, the template will be in my description box, so you can print it out. Love you. Stay safe, everyone.